So you may ask what I am doing here. I have started collecting coffee grounds again for my roses. They are a great natural organic element that you can apply to your garden to give the roses the acid they need. So I start collecting them, I let them dry, and then you just take a scoop and you apply them to your roses right around the base of them. If you use eggs at home and use them for baking, cooking, whatever the case may be, save your eggshells and use them in the garden. All you have to do is collect those eggshells after you use them for cooking and wash them good, let them dry, throw them in a bag like this. You can put them in a grinder and grind the shells down really fine. What I like to do is take my trusty rolling pin and pound them until they're super fine. If this isn't fine enough for you and you want to take it to a powdery form, you can just use your coffee grinder. And all you have to do is take a handful of the eggshells, put them in the coffee grinder like this. And this is what you do. And look at how fine that powder is. Perfect for your plants. And then just put it back into your bag where you're collecting it. And do the rest. And you could give this to your plants every 2 weeks or once a month, whatever you prefer. And your plants will thank you for it by being healthier. You will have more blooms and stronger stems. It doesn't take long to do. It's so easy. And look at the beautiful powder you're going to get. So there we have it. We have a nice bag that we can sprinkle on our roses and our clematis, even your hydrangeas, that will help feed them throughout the season. Now let's go feed some plants. These are the hot paprika roses. You can see them there. They are hardy in zone 3. These are a proven winners plant, and they could use some food to help them with blooming. So we're going to give them actually the coffee grounds. We're just going to go in and we're just going to shake them up like this. And they're best if they're dry, but just for demo purposes, I'm going to show you what they're like wet. And just sprinkle them around your plant, right around the base of the plant. Just like so. And just do all your plants. You don't need to work it into the soil because as they get the moisture they need, they will absorb it. And that's all you need to do for your roses. We have Annabelle hydrangeas, and they could use a feeding too. So I've saved my eggshells to use on them to give them added nutrients. And all you do is just take a handful and sprinkle it around the base of the plant. And do all your hydrangeas. They will thank you for it with abundance of blooms and healthy foliage. So easy. Since I'm doing a bit of a video here, I wanted to show you guys my bearded irises. These are my old faithful reliable bearded irises. They've been here for years. I have not split them and they've been doing just fantastic as is. If they ever get a hole more in the center, then I will split them. Or if I want to add more to the garden, which I might. But they are absolutely gorgeous. And before I show you the clematis and we add the powder, check out this Yukon Gold Rose. It is stunning. So this is Clematis taiga, or Clematis taiga. You can see the beautiful flowers on it. They're just fading out, but you can see the new ones that are just starting right there. Absolutely gorgeous. So what we're going to do is we're just going to take our powder down here and we're going to sprinkle it around the base of the plant. And that's all you have to do. And it will absorb it just like that. This is Clematis Vancouver. And once again, we're just going to add some around it. There's Jackmania, and we're just going to give it a good feeding. And as I go along, I will just feed all the clematis with the eggshells, and that will help promote growth, give them the vitamins and minerals they need because it gives them added calcium, and we will see an abundance of blooms, healthy growth, and beautiful plants. Give it a try. Let me know if you already do it in the comments. Love to hear from you. Thanks, everybody. And by the way, these are my dahlias. They're doing fabulous here at the back of the yard with part sun and shade, and they're protected. It's wonderful to have areas of microclimates where plants are protected. Check it out. All right, so that's it, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks, everyone.